I'm Dyane Neiman. I'm a speaker trainer and a story coach. And I love science of communication when it's effective and it moves people to action. And that's exactly what I experienced this week in Berlin at the Falling Walls Science Summit. It was a 15-minute talk from the Turkish-born, German-bred immunologist, physician, scientist, businesswoman Özlem Türeci. And together with her husband, Dr. Şahin and Christoph Huber, they founded BioNTech, as you probably all know. Why was this science communication at its best? I have at least 6 reasons. But for the purpose of this video, I'd like to share just one of them with you. Özlem Türeci structured this talk using a story arc, which means she hung all her ideas on a story structure, which made it so engaging. She first started with the context, where she was when she began the research, and what the stakes were. She let us know what her desire was, what the objective of her science research was. And then, step by step, using vivid language full of metaphors so that this non-expert audience could easily and quickly understand, she explained, step by step, the objectives and challenges her research had to tackle. And the climax, COVID. Could this mRNA vaccine work for COVID? And the turning point was, yes. Yes, it worked, it was approved, and since then it has saved the lives of millions of people around the globe. And then she had what we call in public speaking jargon a star moment, something they'll always remember. She had a man bring out, it was in a thick plastic bag, and it was held together by a plastic frame. Something was scribbled on it in black marker, and she said, this is the basis of COVID vaccine, millions of doses of it. And it was such an emotional moment to see right there, tangible, the result of years and years of trial and error. And then that's what I regret, because I was so enthralled in the star moment, I forgot to take a photo, and I can't find one on the internet to share with you. She ended her talk with a call to action for us to continue to support and stay open to science and innovation. And how did the audience react? Standing ovation. They clapped and clapped and clapped. If you would like to use a story structure in your next talk, or perhaps share some personal experiences to make your science communication more engaging and more impactful, then join us at the upcoming European Science Engagement Association's conference on December 7th. I'll be giving a workshop in storytelling. And in closing, for all of you out there from the EUSEA community, I'd like to say happy birthday, because 20 years is quite an achievement and really something to be proud of. So happy birthday, EUSEA, from Dyane Neiman. See you on December 7th. Bye-bye.